Hello, this is my bakery system for those who have a restaurant or a bakery and who are uh, delivering by phone. So if you make a call to them, they are giving you make you a order. So first of all, you need to register. You need to log in, and then you can have here um, new order. In this new order you have products. You can add with plus or minus products. Then you can have here subtotal. Check and next. You can have pancakes and other kind of pancakes, of course. This is not in English, but doesn't really matter. The point is you have here everything what every product you can add, and they will appear in here. And basically you can go back and forth. You can click next and you will show the application will show the money which you need to give at the end. um, Also, at the end of the order, you will have the customer information. So this order is uh, is by phone. So if a customer calling you, you can talk with him. You can make his order by phone, and of course you can say the type of the event, if it's wedding or if it's something else. You can finish the order, and the order is uh, appear in the top. Always the last word is in the top. You can click view and you can start over if the customer change his mind and he wants something else, or he wants to modify the order. So yeah, this is made by alienitservices.com. I am expecting you to write me in private or on YouTube if you like this, and I can deliver by services to you, or I can give you as a product software. Thank you.